Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I wanted to do an unboxing video. I got my box from northspore.com and I'm really excited. I ordered at the end of May and it took 8 days from when I thought of the idea to when I got it at my door. So I'm going to say that's pretty fast. And as some of you know that have been watching my videos, I am planting a garden and I love mushrooms in the Pacific Northwest. The only ones I can identify are chanterelles on my own without getting dead. So the idea of having my own mushrooms in my front yard or, you know, just in my vegetable beds, and all I would need is this and straw and water. That sounds pretty good to me. So let's open the box and see what's inside. I ordered 3 types of oyster mushrooms because it does get colder around here in the winter time. And then I also ordered the wine cap, which I've never had before, but the website describes them and made them sound like a pretty delicious big mushroom that's pretty versatile. So I'm excited to try those. Well, let's get to it. Have an X-Acto knife and we will safely open it. All right. So, lots of goodies here. There's a mushroom cultivation book from North Spore. Oh, this is a nice little pamphlet. It goes over the different kinds of mushrooms that they sell and recommended substrates, so that seems pretty helpful. And attention, thank you for purchasing from northspore.com. Please read this page before starting any North Spore kit. They also sell kits, so if you don't have a yard, you know, you can just get a box and spray the box and mushrooms will come out of it. So that's kind of cool too. I've done some of those in the past, not from this company, but the box mushrooms, and I thought they were pretty awesome. And there's some info for damaged product and return policy, and then my receipt. Okay, so this is a mushroom cultivation book that comes with it, and it teaches you how to use the traditional log method, culinary uses, post-inoculation, the totem method. Pretty neat instructions here. And then, thank you for your order. There's a Spread the Spore Club that you can sign up for rewards. And here we go, the Spore packets. Okay, so there's the Italian oyster. It definitely looks like there's stuff growing in there, the mycelium's going, so I'm pretty excited about that. And that's 5.2 it says. Italian oyster, lot 505, generation 2. And then I also have I think this is the blue oyster. So the blue oyster mushroom spawn. They're so pretty. And it's sawdust spawn. The third kind is snow oyster. So all of these have lots of mycelium in there. I have to get it out of there and mix it into my soil. So there's snow oyster. And then finally, the wine cap. So this one is the bigger one that I haven't tried before. I guess they get to be pretty big, so we'll see how that goes too. And this one doesn't have as much mycelium growing, but we'll give it a try. So thanks, North Spore. The order looks really awesome, and once I get out there and inoculate some mushrooms, I will update whenever I get to harvest them or they start popping up. Thanks, guys.